burnout reduces focus, sleep quality, and physical energy. Travel now plays a direct role in recovery through retreats built around rest, structure, and evidence-based wellness. Across several regions, select resorts run programs that reduce stress load, stabilize routines, and restore daily balance. This video explains how these places work and why they succeed. Subscribe for clear travel research, practical insight, and destinations that serve a real purpose beyond escape. Number 10. Aroha. Aroha operates as a remote wellness retreat built around precision, routine, and measurable recovery. Each program runs for 5 or 6 nights and limits attendance to a small group, which keeps the environment calm and focused. The retreat follows a fixed daily schedule that balances physical effort with guided rest. Mornings begin with yoga and breath-focused movement to regulate stress response. Guided alpine hikes follow, using controlled exertion to improve mood, circulation, and sleep quality. Afternoons shift toward recovery through meditation, mobility work, and spa sessions that include hot and cold immersion. Meals follow a carefully planned plant-based format that supports digestion, stable energy, and metabolic balance. Nutrition workshops and cooking sessions teach practical habits that guests can maintain at home. The mountain setting reduces noise, light pollution, and digital exposure, which improves concentration and sleep depth. Aroha delivers results through structure, repetition, and a clear separation from daily stress patterns. Number 9. The Retreat Costa Rica. The Retreat Costa Rica operates with a clear focus on calming the nervous system through rest-led structure, rather than intensity. Programs center on sleep regulation, reduced stimulation, and gentle daily rhythm. Each day allows long rest windows supported by soft scheduling that avoids time pressure. Movement sessions remain low impact and include slow yoga, guided stretching, and controlled breathwork designed to lower cortisol levels. Therapeutic treatments include massage, mineral-based body therapies, and sound relaxation sessions that encourage deep physical release. Nutrition plays a central role, with anti-inflammatory meals prepared from fresh regional produce to support digestion, blood sugar balance, and sustained energy. Silence-friendly spaces and open natural surroundings limit noise and visual clutter, helping stabilize mood and improve sleep depth. Light excursions such as short nature walks or nearby cultural visits remain optional and never replace rest periods. Number 8. Mountain Trek. Mountain Trek uses structured physical activity as the primary tool for burnout recovery. The retreat operates on a daily rhythm that includes morning yoga, guided mountain hikes, restorative therapies, and education sessions. The program removes caffeine, alcohol, and digital devices to stabilize the nervous system. Hikes provide controlled cardiovascular activity that improves mood regulation. Afternoon therapies support muscle recovery and relaxation. Educational sessions teach stress management techniques for daily life. The program emphasizes sleep, hydration, and nutrition consistency. Mountain Trek demonstrates that active recovery can outperform passive rest when guided by structure and environment. Number 7. Zulal Wellness Resort. Zulal Wellness Resort delivers programs based on traditional Arabic and Islamic medicine, combined with modern wellness systems. The retreat focuses on balance, rhythm, and reflection. Guests complete assessments that shape therapy schedules and movement plans. Treatments include cupping, herbal massage, breath regulation, and meditation. Outdoor spaces support quiet reflection and limited digital use. Programs separate adult-focused recovery from family wellness to maintain focus. Nutrition integrates regional principles that support digestion and hydration. Zulal achieves burnout recovery by combining cultural healing frameworks with structured modern care. Number 6. One and Only Porto-Novi. One and Only Porto-Novi integrates luxury hospitality with structured wellness programs through the Sheno method. Guests undergo health evaluations that identify stress markers and metabolic imbalance. Programs then combine detox therapies, spa treatments, nutrition planning, and guided movement. The retreat balances structured treatment days with free periods near the sea. This approach maintains motivation without mental fatigue. Rooms support sleep regulation through lighting and sound control. Nutrition supports detox goals while maintaining satisfaction. One and only Portnovi proves effective by combining medical oversight with a relaxed coastal setting that reduces mental pressure. Number 5. Raksa Integrative Wellness. Raksa Integrative Wellness operates on the edge of Bangkok in a protected green zone. The retreat combines medical diagnostics with traditional healing practices. Guests complete health screenings that shape individual recovery plans. Therapies address both physiological depletion and mental fatigue. Programs include medical treatments such as oxygen therapy and nutrient support alongside Thai massage, meditation, and movement practices. Daily schedules alternate treatment, rest, and light activity to prevent overload. Villas provide privacy to support uninterrupted sleep. Nutrition follows anti-inflammatory principles with monitored portions. Raksa succeeds by coordinating medical precision with restorative environments that prevent clinical stress. Number 4. Ananda in the Himalayas. Ananda in the Himalayas delivers a traditional wellness system rooted in Indian medical practice. Programs begin with consultations that guide therapy selection. The retreat focuses on Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and energy-based therapies. Each day follows a stable rhythm that aligns sleep, meals, activity, and rest. Therapies reduce accumulated stress through oil treatments, breath regulation, and guided stillness. Nutrition supports digestion and mental clarity. The mountain environment promotes reduced sensory input and improves sleep cycles. Programs extend from 5 nights to 2 weeks, allowing deeper regulation for long-term burnout. Ananda maintains effectiveness through discipline, tradition, and controlled routine rather than novelty. Number 3. Euphoria Retreat. Euphoria Retreat applies an integrative wellness model that combines ancient medical traditions with modern diagnostics. The retreat sits in a mountain region and uses altitude, forest exposure, and quiet terrain to support recovery. Programs target emotional balance, hormonal regulation, and nervous system stability. Guests undergo assessments that guide daily therapies. These include breathwork, meditation, biofeedback sessions, acupuncture, and nutritional planning. The spa structure supports deep relaxation through thermal circuits and water-based treatments. Group sessions alternate with private time to prevent overstimulation. Euphoria Retreat uses structure to align physical systems while allowing psychological recovery to develop naturally through repetition and routine. Number 2. Quinta Carvalhas. Quinta Carvalhas functions as a small-scale wellness estate focused on slowing physical and mental pace. The retreat emphasizes rest before intensity. Guests follow custom schedules built after arrival assessments. Therapies include yoga, meditation, sound therapy, Reiki, and equine-assisted sessions. These activities support nervous system regulation through repetition and low stimulation. Daily structure allows long rest windows, silent outdoor time, and limited technology use. Meals support digestion and stable energy levels. The environment reduces noise, visual clutter, and scheduling pressure. Staff adjust each program based on daily feedback rather than fixed milestones. This approach suits guests with advanced fatigue or disrupted sleep patterns. Quinta Carvalhas succeeds by prioritizing stillness as the primary tool for recovery. Number 1. Borgo Ignazia. Borgo Ignazia operates in southern Italy and runs a defined burnout recovery program called Fermate. The program spans 5 days and centers on mental reset through structured activity. The retreat integrates movement, outdoor exposure, sensory exercises, and guided rest. Activities include forest walks among olive groves, light physical coordination sessions, yoga, and meditation. These sessions aim to re-engage focus without pressure. The program removes constant decision-making by fixing daily schedules. Meals follow local nutritional principles that stabilize energy without restriction. Therapists use massage and bodywork to reduce muscle tension caused by prolonged stress. The environment supports calm through open landscapes and controlled silence. The program ends with guided reflection to help guests return home with a stable routine. Borgo Ignazia connects regional culture with structured recovery rather than passive leisure. These retreats succeed because they treat burnout as a systems issue rather than a mood problem. These locations demonstrate how luxury aligns with discipline to produce lasting recovery. Share which retreat matched your recovery needs. Like the video if clear travel research adds value. Subscribe for focused guides that explain where travel truly changes health outcomes.